to answer the call. Whether or not we want to do it, your future self is depending on you. Your family is depending on you, each and every single person in here, to step up and answer the freaking call.
It doesn't matter to me what you learn at this conference, what you absorb, the teachings that they're gonna give you, because none of it matters unless you can win the conversations you're having with yourselves.
Every single one of you have an opponent in here. Do you know who that opponent is? It's that mind. And you have to focus on building a more resilient, a stronger, a mentally tough mind.
If you want to grow your business, if you want to grow your relationship, if you want to grow whatever you're trying to do, you can't do interested. Interested is a hobby, folks. Interested gives you an out. Interested is affected by your feelings. Obsession has no feelings. It doesn't care if it's a storm outside. It doesn't care if it's 0 below. It doesn't care if it's 90. It doesn't care if it's raining. Because when you're obsessed, you control the storm that's going on internally.
Any amount of success we experience in life, it's not chance. To win and to build something worth keeping around is beautiful.
So what I'm here to do is make sure we leave here changed.